Hi guys, welcome to Asphodel. I'm Michelle and this is Rachel.
大家好，欢迎来到 Asphodel， 这是 Michelle， 还有我是 Rachel。
今天 the workout is called In the Wilderness.
在野外。
8分钟之内，我们要做4个动作，20次的 jumping jacks，
10次的 thrusters，
然后20秒的 plank hold，
还有最后一个动作是10次的 mountain climbers。所以我们这个 exercise 是8分钟，还有这4个动作是1圈，所以我们在8分钟以内看我们可以做几圈，对吗 ，Michelle？
Yes, absolutely. Do your best.
Yes.
看看你会做，尽力的做。
我们就尽力做好。
Okay, so first, how do you do jumping jacks?
Eyes on me.
Eyes on Rachel. So 跳出去 clap above your head, and then jump into like a pencil. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you get the gist. Okay. 第二个动作是 thrusters.
我们做10个 thrusters.
Elbows high, 挺胸 ，OK, go down into a 深蹲，然后站起来推 into the sky. Let's go. 2, 3, imagine, right? Imagine you have a big 石头，一个很大的石头，
大很重的石头。
Right, OK, 挺胸 ，do everything you can to stay upright, right? 深蹲，然后把石头推 into the sky. Okay, this is called thrusters. 我们一共要做10次。Okay, the next one is plank hold, 20秒。So have a look at Rachel, eyes on Rachel. 头到脚是 one straight line and she's tight. 大风吹，她不会倒。Okay, so she's very, very strong and solid. So ask your mommy and daddy, aunties and uncles to time you 20秒。Okay, 20秒, stay tight. Right, after that, stay down. We're going to do mountain climbers.
Right.
So stay in that plank position. So 你的右脚到右手 jump and switch. 左脚左手 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. 一共要做10次的 mountain climbers.
所以我们总共有4个动作，这8分钟以内，我们看我们可以做几圈，好吗
OK, 我们一起做 with you 第一圈 OK. 所以20次的 jumping jacks.
Oh, yes.
Have fun, guys.
Let's do it.